Are you wholesaling real estate? In today's video, I want to give you some tips and tricks to use when you're cold calling, coming up next. Cold calling can be tough, and many people find it intimidating. But if you know how to do it well, cold calling can be an excellent way to source motivated sellers. Let's go over some tips that you can use on your next calls. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Homs. I want to welcome all the new members. I made this channel for you, the new and experienced investor. Make sure that you like this video. Help me get in front of more people looking to get the life they've always wanted through real estate. Number one, have energy when you're making your calls. Make sure you're motivated. Make sure you're animated. Yes, it's on the phone, but people can tell when you are serious, they become serious about selling their property and also establishing a rapport with them so that they're apt to talk to you a lot more than just a simple, hello, do you want to sell your house to me? Okay, that's not something that you should be doing. Number two, when they say no, try this. Ask them if they have any other properties that they're interested in selling. Ask them if they know anybody, their neighbors or family. Maybe somebody else is interested in selling a property. They may not be ready right away, but somebody that they know might be ready right away. Get that referral. Call them next. Number three, talk less and listen more. Listen to what they're saying to you. Then interject. Maybe you hear that, they have to talk to their husband. They have to talk to their wife. Okay? You kind of hear that all the time. And just listen to that conversation as to what's going on. Divert them away from that. Start speaking about the house itself. Are there any rehabs that have been done for the house? Kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, new flooring, new painting. Get them off, that they need to talk to somebody else or check in with somebody else. Get more details on that particular property because they know what the details are. They're just kind of trying to push you off the phone call. So divert that back to the property itself. Number four, use a power dialer. Can you imagine if you're there literally dialing the number from 1 to 2 to 100 calls you're going to make? There are services out there that you can employ that literally will call 3 numbers or more at the same time, and you're just there listening to that hello. And you stop the dialer and you pick up that phone call and you start the conversation. Once that conversation's done, the dialer will kick right back in and start dialing 3 or 4 other people. And if they don't get answers on one, it'll hang up and start on another one. Okay? So the more people you can call, the better it is because somebody's going to end up eventually answering, and that's the conversation you want to have. Number 5, practice your script so you don't sound like a robot. Hi, my name is Joe. I'd like to buy your house. Can you tell me a little bit about it? No. Hi, my name is Joe. I'm a real estate investor. My team and I are buying properties in your area, and we were just wondering if you might be interested in selling your home. Oh, you are? Oh, absolutely. That's awesome. Hey, can you tell me a little bit about the house? How long ago did you buy it? Have you done any rehab to the property? Get to the point where you're getting a lot of information about the house, but let's not talk about the price right away. That comes down the road. Yeah, okay, that was great, all that good information. So what is it that you're looking for on the value of this property? How much do you think it's worth, and how much would you like to sell it for? And, I'm talking about a cash sale. I'm not talking about going through a real estate agent and having to pay those commissions. In fact, you know what? This is a great deal. I'm glad that we talked on the phone. We're running a kind of a little special, and we're actually paying closing costs for all our new purchases. So you can jump in on that bandwagon and get us to pay the closing costs for you. So if we come up with a price that is doable for both of us, because yes, we are investors, and yes, we make a profit at the end of the day. So if that price can match up to what you're looking for, this is a win-win situation. Are you ready to sell? Number 6, always speak with confidence. And with confidence comes experience. So make sure that you're up to date on anything and everything that somebody may ask you in a phone call. But really at the end of the day, you just need to get out there and do it. Start making these calls. Yes, you're going to get some questions that you don't know the answer to right away, but you're going to start to develop a pattern from these folks that you're talking to. These are pretty much the same questions that are asked each and every time. So you're going to start to feel comfortable in answering those questions right away. If there's a title issue and it gets more involved than just a simple answer, then hey, you know what? Be honest with them. I'll have to have my title rep look into this, and then I can get back to you. Okay, give me a couple of days and I'll reach back out and get to you. It's better than answering a question that you have no idea what you're answering and giving them bad information. So be prepared. Are you already cold calling? What tips do you have that might help out the audience? Put them in the comments below. Cold calling is still an effective strategy for any real estate investor. Before you can outsource your calls to a virtual assistant, you might have to do it yourself, but have fun with it. Use it as a chance to hone in on your negotiating skills. If you're new to real estate and still on the fence about wholesaling, click on this video right here. I go over some reasons that you need to start today. If you ever have any questions, never hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help. Hey, this is Joe. How can I help you today?